welcome back.
Harley Build Video 3 coming in hot.
Hot stuff coming through.
Yo, we got most of our parts in, so let's go get them sorted out. All right, everything's sorted and we're good to go. Next on the list is to get the interfering brackets mounted onto the radio and get that thrown in. All right, great progress. We sorted through all the parts I got in. I have the brackets connected to the radio, and that's ready to be mounted with the interfering. We're just going to mount that on the bike all at the same time. I have the trip reset button rewired, soldered, and looking perfect. We messed around with that batwing fairing and the headlight assembly. And the only thing really we have left to do is throw the forks on and assemble the whole darn thing. Now the breaking news is, and this is great breaking news, when I was at the local Harley dealership picking up the trip reset button, I asked them about the forks I had ordered online through Harley and why they were so back ordered, and they weren't sure, but they did confirm that I wouldn't have them for a few months. But the great news is the guy at the counter hopped on his computer and found all the dealerships that happen to have those 2013 forks in stock. I don't know why a dealership would have them in stock, but they did, and that's great news. And he found a dealership that was only 3 hours away. So in the next video, we're going to take a little road trip and go pick those up. Then we can finally start assembling this bike. It's such great news because, you know, 2 days ago I thought this bike was going to take 2 months to assemble. And now we could have this thing potentially back together in the next few weeks. So that's great news because spring is right around the corner and we want to get this thing on the road. Thanks, everybody. Peace and love.